The Royal Enfield Classic 350 2021 Model BS6 is a classic retro-style motorcycle that combines old-school charm with modern technology. This bike is a great choice for anyone who loves the classic look and feel of a vintage motorcycle but still wants the reliability and performance of a modern machine. One of the standout features of the Royal Enfield Classic 350 is its engine. The bike is powered by a 346cc single-cylinder engine that produces 19.1 horsepower and 28 Nm of torque. This engine is designed to deliver a smooth and predictable power delivery, which makes it great for cruising on the highway or navigating through the city traffic. Another great feature of this bike is its suspension system. The Royal Enfield Classic 350 comes with a telescopic front fork and pinch shock absorbers in the rear, which provide a comfortable and stable ride. The bike also features disc brakes in the front and rear, which provide excellent stopping power and confidence-inspiring braking performance. The Royal Enfield Classic 350 also features a number of modern amenities that make it a great choice for riders who want best of both worlds. The bike comes with a digital instrument cluster which provides all the necessary information about speed, fuel level and other important metrics. The bike also comes with a halogen headlight, LED tail light and turn indicators which provide excellent visibility and safety on the road. Overall, the Royal Enfield Classic 350 is a great choice for anyone who loves the classic look and feel of a vintage motorcycle but still wants the reliability and performance of a modern machine. With its powerful engine, comfortable suspension system and modern amenities, this bike is sure to provide a great riding experience for years to come. While the Royal Enfield Classic 350 is a popular motorcycle, there are a few potential drawbacks that some riders may want to consider before making a purchase. Vibrations. One of the most common complaints about the Royal Enfield Classic 350 is that it can produce noticeable vibrations at higher speeds. This is due in part to the bike's single-cylinder engine, which can produce more vibrations than multi-cylinder engines. While some riders enjoy the character and feel of these vibrations, others may find them uncomfortable or distracting. Heavy weight. The Royal Enfield Classic 350 is a relatively heavy motorcycle which can make it less maneuverable in tight spaces or at low speeds. This weight can also be a factor when pushing the bike around or lifting it onto a center stand. Limited performance. While the Classic 350's engine is reliable and efficient, it may not offer the level of performance or power that some riders are looking for. The bike's top speed is limited and it may struggle to accelerate quickly or handle steep hills or tough terrain. Braking system. The Classic 350's braking system may not be as advanced as those found on other modern motorcycles. Some riders may find that the bike's front brake lacks sufficient stopping power, especially in emergency situations. Maintenance requirements. Like many motorcycles, the Royal Enfield Classic 350 requires regular maintenance to keep it running smoothly. However, some riders have reported that the bike's maintenance requirements can be more time-consuming and expensive than those of other bikes due to the need for specialized tools and parts.
1